Hey guys, I'm Greg Hahn, and I'm leading a course on Three.js city model development and deploying it on Netlify. In the first session, I'll introduce the course and its goals, share project structure, and show a demo at the end. We'll dive into setting up the environment, coding with Vite, and creating a server with Node.js and Nest.js while using Netlify for deployment. I'll provide the course materials and demo how to work with Blender files while we build out our Three.js projects, keeping in mind some version updates. We'll start coding with npm, setting up project folders, and focus on creating a basic hello world with Three.js before digging deeper into the project. Sections 4 and 5 are super important, where we'll finalize the UI and ensure everything's in place with Vite as our bundler. The coding will be multilingual, leveraging static resource materials, while we streamline the process with JSON for server interactions. In this coding session, Toast UI is introduced with step-by-step coding for elements like the top bar and toolbar, plus a focus on multilingual features. The scene manager is covered along with camera control and object picking techniques, which are essential for handling 3D elements in programs like Three.js. As models and static resources are integrated into the memory, coding for saving and opening these models is discussed to avoid large file errors. The script includes building UI elements for file and confirm dialogues, alongside a focus on coding practices, like refactoring with Gulp and Vite. Upcoming sections will tackle deploying projects, using private Git settings with Netlify, and introduce server-side concepts with Node.js and Nest.js. Final revisions will cover CSS essentials, emphasizing its importance for customer adaptability, and ensuring data events are properly communicated in the program. The speaker encourages hands-on coding during the short training sessions, noting that there will be parts where they cut out parts for time. They discuss how future features and settings will be introduced, aiming for a simulation approach to demonstrate the city's development over time. The speaker goes through creating a small city setup, adding homes, factories, and power plants while explaining the connections needed for energy and services. They mention the limitations of saving files due to web security, and the importance of maintaining power plants for the city's functionality. Lastly, the speaker wraps up by discussing controls, the significance of tooltips, and how different actions affect the simulation state.